Good morning, dear children, and welcome you all to today's online English class. Children, as you remember, in our previous class, we have started the chapter Missile Man of India and completed till paragraph 4. Today, we will complete the remaining part of the text and end the chapter. Let's start reading the text. Kalam began his career as a trainee at the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, in Bangalore, now called Bengaluru. Then he joined the Defence Research Development Organization (DRDO) as a scientist. In 1969, he was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), where he worked as the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3. The purpose of the SLV was to develop the technology to launch satellites. It was under Dr. Kalam's direct guidance and supervision that the first Rohini satellite was successfully launched into the orbit in 1980. After spending 19 fruitful years in the ISRO, Kalam returned to the DRDO to head the country's integrated missile development program. Here he took a leading role in the development of India's missiles and nuclear weapons program. The program was very successful. It led to the development of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag. The success of the program made him extremely popular in the country. Hereafter, he was popularly called the Missile Man of India. In 1998, as the chief of the DRDO, Dr. Kalam supervised the Pokhran 2 nuclear test, for which he had camped in Rajasthan Thar desert for over a fortnight. The test was hugely successful. According to Dr. Kalam, it was a defining moment in the history of our country. Some years after the test, the Missile Man of India recollected. Today, I remember the hot day of 1998 at Pokhran, 53 degrees Celsius. When most of the world was sleeping, India's nuclear era emerged. Dr. Kalam was appointed as the Chief Scientific Advisor to the Prime Minister and the Secretary of Defence Research and Development Organization from July 1992 to December 1999. For his greatest contribution to the field of space, defence and nuclear technology, this eminent scientist was honoured with the Padma Bhushan in 1981, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and the nation's highest civilian honour, the Bharat Ratna, in 1997 by the Government of India. It was 27th July 2015. Dr. Kalam was delivering a lecture in Shillong. During the course of his lecture, he collapsed. He was immediately taken to a hospital. He had suffered a massive cardiac arrest. His death was a great loss for our country. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam will be ever remembered for his dedication, devotion, and selfless service to the nation, particularly as the Missile Man of India. With this, our chapter, that is the Missile Man of India, come to an end. Let's discuss the meaning of some difficult words. The first word is launch. Launch is to start an activity, to begin something. Satellite. Satellite means an object in space used for communication. Like we see TV, radio. For that we need an satellite. Rohini. Rohini is the name given to a series of satellites launched by the ISRO. Extremely. Extremely means to a very high degree. Pokhran. Pokhran is a city and a municipality located in the Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. Camped. Camped means to stay temporarily. Desert. Desert, you all know, a large area of land that has very little water and a very few plants growing on it. Hugely. Hugely means very much. A defining moment. Defining moment means an important point in time at which something going to happen. Recollected. Recollected means remembering something. Era. Era means an important period of time in the history. Emerged. Emerged means to come out. Contribution means service. Eminent means very famous, notable person. Honored, respectfully, officially, to give something. Collapsed, became senseless because of illness. Massive means very serious. Cardiac arrest means when someone's heart stops temporarily or permanently. Dedication means the hard work that somebody puts into a purpose with importance. Devotion, great love and care. Selfless, thinking more about the needs and happiness of others than one's own. Let's discuss the summary. Paragraph 5th and 6th deals with the beginning of Kalam's career and his successful career. First, he was a trainee in HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Then he joined DRDO as scientist. Then he transferred to ISRO as the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle and successfully launched Rohini, the first satellite of India. Then he spent 19 years in ISRO and then returned to DRDO as head of Integrated Missile Development Program. There he developed 4 missiles. First one is Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag, for which he was called as the Missile Man of India. In paragraph 7, it was described how he successfully tested the nuclear test of Pokhran 2 in Thar Desert in Rajasthan. In the 8th paragraph, Kalam's achievement was described there. He was appointed as the chief scientific advisor to the Prime Minister and the Secretary of Defence Research and Development Organization. And he received the Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and the highest civilian honour, that is the Bharat Ratna. Lastly, he suffered a massive cardiac arrest and collapsed while delivering a lecture in Shillong. This man will always be remembered for his selfless service in India's missile and nuclear weapons program. He was extremely dedicated, devoted in his service. Hope you all understand the text. Thank you for watching.